Welcome to my channel, I'm Eileen. In today's video, I want to talk about the YSL or Saint Laurent pouch. Really, I use this as a clutch, but on their website, they actually call this a pouch. The one I have is in the smaller size. They also do one in the bigger version. I'll just put a picture somewhere here to show you how that one looks like. I went for the smaller size because it looks really cute and it's big enough for me to carry everything I need, and it's quite a bit cheaper. I'm just going to show you what the bag comes in. It comes in this really sturdy box. The box feels really substantial. So you open up the bag like so, and that's the bag. And they also give you a pouch. Now I have to say, this pouch feels really well made. In fact, it feels even better quality than the Chanel ones. Now with the Chanel classic double flap, they will give you a really nice pouch, but if you get like boy flap, that pouch is not really well made. This feels a lot better, to be honest. So it says Saint Laurent in there. And also in this black envelope, there are some care cards, so they just tell you how to look after the bag. And there's even a little cleaning cloth in here. This just looks like one of those microfiber cloths that you use to clean your glasses with. And even on this cloth it says Saint Laurent. I have to say that I'm very impressed with the packaging. I feel like it comes very nicely packaged. I think this will make a really good present for someone special. Let's say your mother, sister, girlfriend. I think anyone will be so happy to receive this as a gift. So this bag is in black color with gold hardware. If you know me, you know my favorite combination is black and gold. I just think it's so timeless and it goes with everything. So there are chevron patterns on the bag. This I think just gives the bag such a clean and classic look. The leather is in the aged calfskin leather, so it's not a very polished leather. So I feel like with this kind of leather, it's almost like the Chanel reissue. You don't really have to worry about scratches too much. The YSL logo is only on the front of the bag, so there's nothing on this side of the bag. And on the side it comes with a leather strap, and this is detachable. I usually just keep the strap on anyway. I think it's a very handy feature to have. So if you really need to be hands-free, just put that around your wrist and you're quite alright to use both hands. Usually I do that anyway, and I carry the bag like so. I just want to give you a more close-up look at the bag. So again, this is in the aged calfskin leather with brushed gold hardware. So this little leather strap, I just want to show you on the buckle. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little engraving there that says Paris. And then on the zipper, the little tag here, again, there's an engraving that says Saint Laurent Paris. So I really quite like the attention to details on this bag. I think they've made some really good effort on tiny little elements like this. So let's look inside the bag. Oh, the zipper. This zipper is so smooth, so it's really easy to open and close the bag. In fact, this zipper reminds me of the zipper that Louis Vuitton does. It's very well made. Inside the bag, I think it's a very thoughtful design. It's not just a black hole. This is not leather, so the inside of the bag is made of fabric, which I'm completely okay with. I feel like with a clutch bag, I don't really want it to be very heavy anyway, so with fabric it's certainly lighter. So on this side of the bag, there's like a bigger pocket, and there's a little leather tag there that says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. And on the other side of the bag, again, there's a bigger pocket there and 6 other card slots. So the compartments are very generous, so you can really organize your card or your cash very well, and the middle compartment is really quite enough for me to carry everything else. So I usually keep my cards on this side and I leave a bit of cash on this bigger compartment here, and then everything else will just go in the middle. I just want to show you what I can fit in the bag. Now, because it's a clutch bag, I don't use it for work. I mainly use it for the weekends, for when I go out for shopping or running errands. So really, I only carry the very basic essentials. I've organized my cards and cash in there. So there's some cash in that bigger pocket and some cards on this side. And I've also put my keys in the bag. So this is my coin purse. I know a lot of people don't even carry cash or coins anymore. So if you are one of them, then there's more space for you to carry other things. Next is my iPhone 8 Plus. That goes in very comfortably into that big pocket. I don't usually carry a lot of makeup. In fact, I don't even top up my makeup when I go out. So I usually just carry a few things. This is my sun protection powder, a small hand cream, a perfume atomizer, I usually carry my wireless headphones. These are very handy to have. If I bring my little boy out for skiing lessons or swimming lessons, I can keep myself entertained. I will just listen to some music while waiting for him. Now you can see there's still quite a bit of space there for things like maybe a little compact powder or some lipsticks. So I can zip the bag up pretty easily. Now in the summer months, I usually will bring my sunglasses. And if I do, let's put the sunglasses in there, I would then take my little headsets out from the box and pop them in there. And again, I can still zip the bag up really easily. So this is just what I usually bring. If you carry a lot more things, then you can definitely consider the bigger version. But as for me, I'm very happy that I got the smaller version. I will include a few modeling shots just so you can see how the bag looks on me. So this is the only YSL piece in my collection and also my only clutch bag. So far, I'm quite impressed. I think the quality is really good and I think this goes with a lot of things I wear. So if you are considering, I would say go for it. I really do recommend this piece. I got this back in August, so it's been about 2.5 months now and I've used this quite a bit. So far, I can't see any wear and tear. It still looks completely brand new. This bag retails at £390. I actually got this on my Teresa when they're doing a 10% off on everything on their website. So that saved me quite a bit of money. Now, I usually do recommend people to sign up to their email subscription. I know nobody likes spammy emails, but my Teresa really does some really good discounts. And when they do, you really want to be the first one to know. Add that wishlist items to your basket and check out. I also made this purchase on Quidco, which is a cashback website, and that gave me about 3% cashback. So overall, I made about £45 in saving, which really is quite a bit of money. Now I love buying luxury handbags and sometimes shoes, and if I can make a bit of saving out of that, I'm all up for it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you find it helpful, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I want to thank you so much for watching and have a good day.